Hello, Salesforce Ohana, Walters954 here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set converted lead values, so in this example, account and contact, on conversion of a lead using Process Builder. Make sure to stick around to the end where I go over how this can actually work on multiple child records. As always, check the description down below to look for resources. So we have our questionnaires object that gets created from our original flow that we have here. If you haven't seen the video of the creation of this beginning flow, please check it out. There will be a link in the description. But one of the problems that we have is when we convert this lead, we want to keep the information of our questionnaires intact or to carry along the process of this customer that we're working. So we have two other fields in here for account and contact, but we don't want to have to set them manually after we've converted our lead. We want an automated process once the lead has converted to set the new account and the new contact of the new lead that was converted. And there are some special reference fields that we can use to help set the values that we're looking for. So let's head over to the Process Builder to get this done. Click on New over here to the right. And we're just going to call this lead converted. We're going to do this on record change, save. The object that we are going to look for any change on is the lead, and when it is created or edited. So now the criteria that we're looking for is if the lead is converted at that particular moment in time. So I'm going to type in is converted, add in a field here, converted, choose that to equal true. We want to make sure that this lead was converted. And then we are also going to go back to the converted field again and make sure that it actually changed. So is changed equals to true. So if this lead was converted at that particular time, that means its conversion changed, and it can really only go from false to true if you think about it. And then if this equaled true, we don't want to somehow get leads that have been updated that were already converted maybe through a data loading process. We only want leads that the conversion field has changed and the conversion is true. So let's save that. And now what we want to do is update some child records. So for this, we're going to go to update records, and we're going to say update questionnaires. And then we're going to not select the lead record itself, but select the related ones. Let's go to questionnaires, choose that. And now what we want to do is set the account, and we want to set the contact, but we don't want to set it to some static ID, in here. That's not what we're looking for. Anytime we convert a particular lead, we want to set it to the IDs and contacts that are for that particular one. So now let's go to the field references, click on that. And then since we're doing account, there's actually a special field called ConvertedContactId. This only is populated once the lead is converted. We are going to do the same thing for the contact. And since we don't have any opportunity fields, we're not going to do anything there. Let's go ahead and hit save and activate this process builder. And let's go over to our leads. Let's try Brenda over here. So what we are expecting once we convert this lead is on our questionnaire, the account field will be filled out and the contact field will be filled out. We should be able to look on any of those two records and see in the related list these questionnaires have carried over. So let's go ahead and convert this. And it's asking for us to fill out a bunch of information here and set the status. So everything looks good. Let's hit convert. So the conversion happened properly. Let's go to our account and see if our values carried over from our questionnaire. And we can see here that questionnaire 6 has come over. Let's click on it, and here's all of the information that has just been filled out from our questionnaire. And this should work for multiple questionnaires, because if we look back in our process builder, we selected the relationship of the questionnaires, not just a single one. So let's go ahead and mark our Christian Bale record that has multiple questionnaires. Let's convert that. And we can see here, test account, test opportunity, sure. All that stuff looks good. Let's hit convert. Let's go to the contact record this time. And we can see here our 3 questionnaires loaded in with the different information we had. Here's the reference to our converted lead of Christian Bale. If we click on that, it'll just go back to the contact. But the one key thing that we added in was a formula field from the lead to basically say, is this questionnaire converted or not? That is a very easy way of bringing in information from the lead or from any of these related records. So if we wanted to see the address, the name, whatever, all of that could be on here. We are just displaying that information. Thank you all so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really lets me know you all like this content. This video came from a request from one of you all in the Salesforce community, so don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm Walters954, and remember, I believe in you.